Imagine making money from what you love doing. Your hobbies, your passion, your interests are going to be making you money. At the same time, you will be happy because it is what you love doing. In this video, guys, I'm going to be sharing 15 hot secret hobbies that you can actually make money from. If you're looking for ways to make money, to build up a business, even start as a side hustle, you are in the right video, guys. These are hobbies that you can actually start as a side hustle, or you can also start them as a full-time business owner and grow them as an entrepreneur, guys. And you can also start from your home, from a comfort of your home. A lot of people are monetizing their hobbies, and you can as well do that if you're looking for ways to make money. Let's go, guys. Video. The first hobby that can actually help you to earn money if you're looking for ways to make money is writing. Writing is one of the best hobby that can actually help you to make money because you can write a blog post, you can write a search engine optimization, you can also write books and publish books on Amazon, you can also write e-books and e-courses. If you love writing so much, your writing can be monetized, guys. You can also create audience, create followers on social media, and start putting out content there. And definitely, all these skills, all these hobbies can be put together. Your writing can actually help you to make money, guys. You can also write as a freelancer, write on Fiverr, you write on Upwork, even Google Jobs. They can also help you to make money. And even as a copywriter, guys, what are you waiting for? So writing is one of the best hobby right now that is very hot that can actually help you to make write books or publish books. And the next hobby that can actually help you to make money that you can monetize today is what? Photography. Photography right now is one of the hobbies that you can never overlook. So that you can take quality good pictures or you have camera, you're just taking them out for fun. Right now is the time for you that you can actually monetize your photography and turn it as a business and monetize them. You can actually take photos for people that are doing events like wedding parties, birthdays, and different occasions. You can also take different photos as stock footages and sell them on stock website. You can also have your own website where people can also download photography and pay you for money. If you like doing photography, photography is one of the hobbies that can actually help you to monetize your hobby. Another hobby that can actually help you that you can monetize is performing comedy. You like to make people laugh. You are good in, acting and making people put smiles on their faces. You can actually build audience online on social media and start promoting your comedy shows. Exactly. A lot of people are making money doing and performing comedy. You can even have your memes and sell them online. You understand? Before you know it, you start promoting them. Brands, sponsorships, there will be brands will be noticing you. Sponsored ad will be coming to you and you will be making money. So all of these hobbies are going to be making money for you. And the next hobby that can actually help you to make money today is what? Traveling. You can travel around the world. If you love traveling so much, you can document your progress. You can document your traveling can actually help you to make money. You can travel to any part of the world or in your location that you love, and you can document and showcase the food and the culture of that particular location. You can start content creation either on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, any social media platform that can actually help you to showcase what you are doing. And at the same time, you can be having fun. You understand? Monetize the travel, do your videos on YouTube, show us on social media, even on Facebook. All these platforms, you can monetize them, showcasing your traveling. The next hobby that can actually help you to make money is making hair. Right now, you can see braiding, making hair is one of the hobbies. A lot of people just learn how to make hair and they have joy in making hair. Making hair can actually help you to make money. If you can braid hair for people, you collect money in exchange for that. If you want to enhance your braids, you can actually go and learn more how you can make people's hair and collect money. It's not for free. The next hobby that can actually help you to make money today is what? Is fitness. Fitness training can actually help you to make money. You can monetize your training on social media and people can pay for subscription of any package that you want to give them. Show them what the video of how to lose weight and they will be, following you, build up your followers on social media, and this can actually help you to make money, guys. And the next hobby that can actually help you to make money is cooking and baking. Cooking, everybody loves food. So why not cook if you know and love how to cook? You can actually monetize your food and your blog post. You can start writing blog about food. Exactly. Monetize them, cook and sell the food. Everybody loves food, and there's no how that you're not going to make money. And people that are baking cake, people love to use cake for their events, for their parties. If you know that you love doing cake, cake can actually help you to make money. Baking cake can actually help you to make money if you know you love cooking and baking. The next item or hobbies that can actually help you to make money today is graphic design. Graphic design illustrations can actually help you to make money today. If you love to do artwork on your own, you can also work on freelancing jobs and Fiverr and Upwork, especially. These are popular platforms that you can actually help, to monetize your skills, especially graphic design. People need to do logos, and if you know that you can actually do that, people do artwork, and people buy this artwork even to decorate their homes, and you know that you can actually do them. You monetize them, turn them into a business. There's no harm in turning your hobby into a business. You can also do graphic design for people that are into print on demand. So people will now download those particular artwork and pay you for money, guys. Another hobby that can actually help you to make money today is what? Selling products online and offline. A lot of people have the hobby, they love to sell items and products, whether it's sourcing for items anywhere or even selling their old items. So if you know that you love to sell items, you can position yourself and monetize your hobby to sell items online or offline. This is one of the best hobby that can actually help you to make money. Another hobby that can actually help you to make money is fashion design. Fashion design today, fashion is never going to go away. I want you to have that in your mind. And if you have the hobby of designing fashion, different kinds of clothes and all of that, you can start your own fashion design even for the comfort of your home. There's no harm in trying any of these things. I know some people that have started sewing or making clothes, designing clothes from the comfort of their home. If you're looking for ways to make money, another hobby that can actually help you to make money is be a storyteller. Storyteller right now is actually going to help you to make money. You can build an online audience where you can be telling stories on Instagram, on YouTube, and on TikTok, and even on Facebook. All of these are going to be making you money. Another hobby that I know that can be actually helping you to make money is making music. Right now, music is another hobby that can actually help you to make money is driving. A lot of people love to drive so much. So you can actually earn a living driving. You can join all the driving platforms and, make some cash. Maybe doing your free time as a side hustle, or you can also start as a full-time, driver. Driving actually helps you to make money. You can join Uber or Lyft to be able to make money online. And the next hobby that can actually help you to make money is gardening. Gardening today, people are creating content on gardening. You can sell your succulent plants. You can also sell your mature plants. You can also sell your seeds. You understand? Some people even do homestead and promote their gardening business. Either you go full time or you go doing it as a side hustle. Other hobby that can actually help you to make money, guys, today is what? Gaming. Gaming or video gaming today is actually making money for people. You can start on twitch.com. You can also start live streaming and be making money there, or you can promote your videos on YouTube channel, guys. These are platforms, there are places that you can actually monetize your hobbies. If you are looking for ways to make money, guys, this is where I'm going to stop, guys. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get it. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Bye.